just built a Sora video generator that makes videos with no watermarks. Check this out. So this video is using Sora 2. Let me show you how to do this using Lovable and One API. So Sora 2 doesn't currently have an API to the public, but there is a website called fall.ai, and you're able to actually get access to the newest models, including, of course, Sora. And they have Sora 2 and also Sora 2 Pro, and they have image to video and also text to video. So I wanted to make my own videos. I'm ramping up all of our video generation for social media for our hotel booking website called Zello. I don't know if you guys have seen it in my other videos maybe. So right now we're really ramping this up and trying to get this to the next level, and we're going to be doing that using video. So in today's video, let's jump into Lovable, and I'm going to put this prompt. And this is a prompt that I got from my good friend, Will, right here. If you guys don't know who Will Francis, he just built this. He used Bolt, but we're going to use Lovable instead. And it essentially makes us a dashboard with the fall.ai API. And then it's going to make everything so you could actually create your own videos. You can have the different settings. You can set horizontal, you could set vertical, you could set the different sizes, the different lengths, and then put your prompt, and then you're going to be good to go. So let's get into it. And big shout out to Will. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, he's a fantastic creator around AI and specializing in marketing. He's got tons of resources, tons of great videos. So I definitely wanted to snag that from him and see how it looks when we actually build it ourselves. We are going to be activating the Enable Cloud, so the Lovable Cloud, because we are going to need to have a backend because we're going to be using edge functions to do our actual video generation. So we need to have the backend set up, also put our API keys in there. And if you guys are not familiar with Lovable Cloud, essentially what it gives you is it gives you a full integrated back end. So before you had to connect Supabase and actually do all of your edge functions, your policies, database authentication, all that stuff on Supabase and connect the two. But now with Lovable Cloud, it can just be all done vibe coding right inside of here. And it's going to set everything up for us. This makes it super easy. So there we go. So now it's asking us for our file API key. So let's go back to file.ai, go to manage API keys, add a new key. We're going to call this is going to be Sora 2 maker, Lovable. Okay, there's our key. We're just going to paste that in there. And what's nice about the cloud is once this is enabled, if you look right here, now we have our secret keys actually inside of here once it's saved. You're going to see it pop up in a second here. And also, like I said, we have our edge functions, we have our storage, we have our user authentication built in, database, overview. And if you guys never Marcin AI and I make content around vibe coding, I have a private school community with over 600 members. We just hit 600 today, so I do appreciate everybody from YouTube that's come over. And we have people in here building. We have a full curriculum from start to finish, foundation, ideation, using Lovable, building, vibe coding, and actually launching a product and doing marketing. And also I just launched a mobile development training inside of our community. And we have people in here actually launching, building, making their first sales. We just did a giveaway for $500 to the first person that can actually vibe code an application. And Adam Hiles this morning, look at this, 9 hours ago, said, after watching the new training, I just launched my first application in iOS. We can go right here and we can actually see it. So I wanted to just do a little selfless plug, but I wanted to show you that it's been fun seeing all of the builders inside of our community actually getting results and pushing. We have people in here doing real numbers. Here's Drew Hill, who's done almost $200,000 with his product that he vibe coded some of his stuff inside of the community, and so on and so on. So I wanted to just take a quick second for those of you who are starting that want to join a community and actually start vibe coding. Come hang out. All the links from the profile. Okay, check it out. So now our saved secret is right here. And then if we go back to our website, here it is. So this is the first one. So let's give it a test. So let's do a man walking. Actually, let's do a man editing, vibe coding on a 1990 Mac computer. make it look like VHS. All right, let's see. So we're gonna go portrait. Let's do a short 5-second video and let's hit generate. I'll be shocked if this works on the first try because this is actually doing, oh my goodness. That is actually quite good. Holy smokes. Hey, Will, if you're watching this, great prompt. This is a one prompter with a API. So I'm also curious about the cost. So I'm gonna break down all the costs for you, but this is pretty dope. The reason I want to do this is I want to get my wife to start creating a ton of content for our hotel booking website. And I want to just make her a dashboard so she can go in, she can get the different prompts and get some really good results and then save the different prompts that she likes. So then we can just start batching out all of these videos. So one thing, when you go to fall.ai, you need to just add some credits. So I just added $10 inside of here, and let's see how much it actually costs us to make one videos. I think it's 10 cents per second for Sora 2, and I think it's 30 seconds for Sora 2 Pro. So we're gonna get a sec here and we'll take a look. Okay, so I did it and it reset my page, but I do see that I was charged right here. So I did make one video and I was right. So 10 cents per second. So let's do another one. Let me just open this up. And let's do, oh, actually it did come up right here. Let's see if this worked. So it looks like there is a video. Let me try the copy URL. So it says, cannot access application. Authentication is required to access this application. All right, perfect. So let's actually do this then. Let's give that to Lovable. A video was rendered, but when I play it, there is nothing. The URL goes to a page with this message. So it definitely rendered though, because I was charged for 5 seconds. So it definitely rendered 5-second video, but I think it's just not fetching it correctly from the edge function. So if we go back to our edge function, I think what it is the fetching is actually not working properly. So that it should be able to fix it pretty easy. Okay, so it looks like it didn't fetch it. So let's just try another one. Let's do man walking on bridge. Let's go portrait, generate video. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, damn, look at that. Video generation is hooked up. Perfect. So a couple things. So it didn't obviously do it in portrait mode, but it works. That's the main thing. And let's also try the download feature. Yeah, so it's doing horizontal. That's fine. But it is getting downloaded. Let's go back in here now, please. So is obviously you can see the database is set up. So now we have both of the videos that were actually created and fetched. You could see that here. Yep, so there it is right there. So you got our ID, you got the prompt, you got the aspect ratio, duration completed in the video URL. See how it's different though? This one was Q, so that's where it failed. And this is the actual one that worked. So I bet if we put this in, it's gonna show up. Yep, there it is. Okay, perfect. Then we didn't set up user, we don't have any storage yet, and then we have the edge function, which is right here, and that all works. All right, so let's see how this is going. You gotta have fun while doing this stuff. Coding on a 90s computer, make it look like VHS, black and white, and then halfway through the video, it all of a sudden explodes with color from the screen, with colors flowing out into a future world, and the whole screen turns vibrant colors in a futuristic world. So the one thing I forgot to mention is no Sora watermarks. I don't know if you caught that. Just bringing all the different models, image generation, all into just one platform where I don't have to kind of go to and find the links and go, waste a lot of time. I can just put them all into one, have access to all the best models, connect all the APIs. So then if, Google launches Nano Banana version 4, I just tell my API, let's use version 4, and I just have it all inside of my one dashboard. So that's kind of the idea for the project. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas for my future builds. And of course, if you guys want to come hang out, AI builders, we'd love to have you. Let's see, what kind of crazy projects you can build. And but there's a lot of really, really fun stuff happening. One of the big goals today was actually just crossed over 100,000 in sales on our hotel booking website, which I also show you inside the community. There's a lot of different trainings in here. You guys could check it out. So yeah, we have a whole travel business training on how to set it up. It's a white label solution and all that other good stuff. So definitely come and vibe out with us. We're gonna wait for this to finish. There it is, processing. All right, let's see our final video. I already like it. Very cool. Perfect. All right, well, there you go. That's how you do it. We just took a API using Sora 2, and we just built a little video generation platform with no watermarks, and you can actually set different lengths of times, 4, 8, 12, 10, 20 seconds, whatever you want. I think the max is actually 12 seconds. And that's how you do it. So we just vibe coded the whole thing, and it cost us, let me just do a refresh on the request. The Sora 2 API through fall.ai built a video generation tool that allows you to select different times. We did it all with Lovable using the new cloud, and it all works. It makes videos. They look great. And if you guys have any other ideas, also come hang with the community. Would love to have you in there. But let me know below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.